It looks amazing, super happy, the wife loves it. It was the only product I knew of or could find that had engineered corners, and I love that about it. Couldn't be happier.
Cut really good. It was very easy to put up. I think anybody could do it.
I spoke with Noah with GenStone. He told me exactly what I needed. Arrived within a couple of days. I'm very well satisfied.
The panels are easy to work with. The cuts are simple to do with just a regular handsaw.
I would highly recommend it. I love how it looks. It's a really, really nice addition to the logs around the rest of the house.